most powerful influences in your life?
Well, there again, even if it sounds cliched, I think our our strongest influences will always be um, our parents, at the risk of sounding like a cliche, but that's who makes us who we are. That's why we exist. That's because of whom we exist, our parents. And they're the first people we're exposed to. They're our teachers, our guides, and the reason we become who we do. Of course, life is the greatest teacher, and so is experiences, and everybody who touches our life thereafter. But the roots, parents, and I definitely not just know, but I believe that they are and have been and will continue to be the strongest influence in my life.
You've done your best in modeling, you got the best title. You have done it in Bollywood, in movies, in films. What motivates you now? What drives you every day?
Okay, interesting because um, you can externally find reasons and attributes, and I know people will be expecting me to say, and a very strong influence today in my life is Aradhya. But in terms of motivation, I think it just comes from something never changes, in the sense that it's your basic sense of commitment to whatever you take on. And when that's your basics, that remains the core for the rest of your life. I don't think, I mean, that's where the beginnings are, and that's where the continuity goes on. It's all about that basic sense of ethic, integrity, and commitment. And it would be wonderful and make for glorious answers standing here
questions.
with finding other attributes, but it's really as simple as that.
Sure. In this lifetime, you're gifted with both beauty and intelligence. In the next lifetime, if you were given only one, what would you choose?
Wow, you think far ahead. Let's get through this one. And the journey has been pleasant so far, and one huge learning curve, and I'm glad on it. Looking forward to what else is in store. And let's meet in the next lifetime and we can have a chat.
Sure. Apart from you, whom would you rate as the most beautiful woman? And you can't name your mom, you can't name Aradhya. So the enemy.
Well, then let's take this occasion, like I said, again, to applaud every lady sitting in this room. You all have been justifiably celebrated. And yet again, thank you for having me being in your fine company this evening. Congratulations again, and God bless.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Beautifully said. And I love that. Every waking day, try to be the best version of yourself. I think that's such a lovely line, and that's such a lovely way to be. Big round of applause for the very beautiful, not just beautiful, but beautiful from inside as well, Aishwarya Rai.
Thank you
Okay,
all.
now I'm not going to let go of this opportunity. We have a Twitter mirror. And day before yesterday, I made your father-in-law pout on stage. Now, we're not going to make you pout. We're just going to... Aishwarya is going to stay back for just a little bit to felicitate our final awardee for the evening. Recognized as one among the 100 Women Achievers of India by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, she, along with her husband, Dr. Murray Johnson, under the guidance of her father, Colonel Dr. Jepiar, took up an initiative on space research to design and develop a nano-satellite with the mission of population monitoring. A revolutionary educationist, she is redefining the way the entire education system works by creating effective curriculum. This special Lady of Honor Award deservedly goes out to the Managing Director of Satyabama University, Dr. Would you like to say a few words?
So good evening to all of you present here. To make a few lines, we started Satyabama University initially in 1988 with 100 students. Now we spread around 25,000 students. That is the hard work. But this 2016 has been wonderful for me because in January I received the 100 Woman Achiever Award from the President of India at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. In June, I wouldn't say, I want to remember and forget June because I lost my dad in June. That was on June 18th. Just 3 days after his death, I was standing as Sriharikota to launch the Satyabama satellite, the first ever Indian satellite to be launched by students in India. So I dedicate that to my dad. And that was again a month, July 18th, called by the Prime Minister of the country, Sri Narendra Modi, and he met the entire team and receiving Niti Ayog's 12 Women Transforming India just a month back, and here standing with a lady of honor. But I would say to all the women out here, never limit yourself for some people with limited imaginations on you. Take a step forward because it's your life. When it comes to any initiative, give your best. When it comes to your nation, be the first. Thank you so much.
What beautiful words, and I'm sure these motivating words resonate with a lot of ladies sitting over here. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Dr. Maria Zina Johnson. Aishwarya, thank you very much and congratulations. Aishwarya, we need just a few more moments of your time, please. 2005 was the birth of one of India's largest and fastest growing brands of stunning jewelry. One that redefines elegance, allure and style. Matching their exceptional designs with unmatched quality, each product is crafted to a standard of perfection that transforms into timeless classics and treasures, marking moments that become memories. PC Jewelers started with one showroom at Karol Bagh, New Delhi, and today can proudly boast of 66 showrooms across 52 cities and 18 states. Backed by a strong promoter team, professional management, and a reputed board, the company has followed a meticulously designed business plan, believing in speedy execution with clever optimism over the years. With breathtaking contemporary and classic designs aimed for longevity, these jewels serve to only enhance and complement a woman worth her weight in diamonds. Up next, we'd like to invite a man turning vision into reality over the past decade, who strongly believes in focusing on expansion and aggressive brand building, making sure the grandeur of their craftsmanship and reach